Hello everyone and very good afternoon once again. So it's Sunday afternoon today. So आप सभी लोग Sunday को पढ़ने आए हैं. That's great. That's too much exciting, right? Because Sunday is normally meant for holidays, but yes, today is the classes. Great. So welcome everybody and very good afternoon. I am CA Gaurav Chopra live from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. So let's see who all are live with us now. Yes, Mr. Om Gupta is there, Rohit Chaudhary, Prakriti Goel, Siddharth, Stuchyang, Bhumkesh, Yamini. Great. So welcome everybody on the board. And some more people are live now. Chandana Gupta, Asha, Mohammed Shoaib, Kirtana, Shubham, Rakshita, Manisha, Mrinalika, Shruti, Sneha, Mr. Sundaran, Apurva, Siddharth, and lot more. Great. So welcome everybody. And today, in today's session, we are going to start with our next topic, which is indices, law of indices. So again, it is a part of chapter number 1, but chapter number 1, it is unit number 3, law of indices. It is basically a very small chapter and it is based on mainly powers. So it is a very powerful chapter because in the whole chapter, we will be dealing with a lot of powers. पूरे चैप्टर में हम बहुत सारी पावर्स पढ़ेंगे. पावर्स किस तरह से हम यूज करते हैं, कैसे पावर्स को सॉल्व किया जाएगा. सो इट इज कंप्लीटली अ पावर पैक्ड चैप्टर. Okay, some more people are there. Yes, Singham is also there. Singham, Prachi, Priya, Manisha, Soumya, Jayashree, Pavitra, Indrashish, Pratyush, Shilpa, Sriram, Sanya, Gangamma, Ubaid. Great. Kavita, Jinal, Shravani, Sania, Shreya, Aarti, Riya, and Shyam. Great. So let us begin with this topic, law of indices. So the basic thing is here about the calculation. जब भी हम एक ही नंबर को बार बार ऐड करते हैं, that can be solved using multiplication also. Just take an example. If you are adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now you are adding 2 how many times? 6 times. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 becomes 8, then 10, and then 12. So it becomes 12. But in short, it can be solved by another way. जब एक ही नंबर हम बार बार ऐड कर रहे हैं, when we are adding the same number repeatedly, then it can be solved as 2 multiplied by the number of repetitions. कितनी बार हमने repeat किया है? 6 times. So 2 multiplied by 6 becomes 12. It becomes 12. Okay. Similarly, if we see this example, 4 plus 4 plus 4, we are adding 4 5 times. So this can also be written as 5 multiplied by 4. Because if we are adding 4 5 times, then it can be solved directly as 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20. If we are adding a 5 times, if we are adding a 5 times, a plus a and so on, then it can be written as 5a. 5a. So we have used addition sign in between. We have used addition sign in between. But instead of addition, if we use multiplication, like 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, again multiply by 2. So we have multiplied 2 how many times? 4 times. So it can be written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. But if there was addition, we have to write 2 multiplied by 4. So there is a difference. In case of addition, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, we will write 2 multiplied by 4. It becomes 8. But 2 to the power of 4 becomes 16. So this is the basic law of indices, right? This is the first basic thing which we are learning here. Similarly, if we are multiplying a 3 times, it can be written as a to the power of 3. If we multiply a 10 number of times, it will be written as a to the power of 10. And if we multiply a n number of times, then it will be written as a to the power of n. तो जितनी बार आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वही नंबर कहां जाएगा, उसकी पावर के अंदर आ जाएगा. ओके, राइट. So this is the basic concept which we have studied today. Now the next one, the next basic thing is, if you are writing a to the power of 1 by 2, then it can also be written as square root of a. A to the power of half, it means square root of a. If it is cube root of a, if it is cube root of a, cube root means a to the power of 1 by 3. A to the power of 1 by 3. If it is fourth root of a, fourth root, it means a to the power of 1 by 4. And similarly, if it is a to nth root of a, if it is nth root of a, then it can be written as a to the power of 1 by n. So in this way, we can write them. We can write the powers. So this point will be very useful while solving the questions. Okay. So nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n. All right. Now, the next point. Now there is first law of indices, which is the law for addition. So let us understand that. First law of indices. So first law is for addition. A to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Both the values are same. That means the base is same. Here a is known as base. A is the base. And what are m and n? M and n are the powers. M or n को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Powers. Powers is also known as index. So m and n are known as power or index. So when base is same, then what will be the result? The result will be a to the power of m plus n. This is the first law. A to the power of m multiply by a to the power of n. Then powers will get added. Let's take one example here. A to the power of 3 multiply by a to the power of 2. Now the result will be a to the power of 3 plus 2. That is a to the power of 5. A to the power of 5. Okay. All right. Now let's take one more example. A to the power of 1 by 4 multiply by a to the power of 3 by 4. Now what will be the result? You have to answer now. What will be the result? I'm waiting. Miss Chanda is asking, please बताओ ना, मेरे हिंदी मीडियम है तो मैथ्स का पेपर हिंदी में मिलेगा या both languages में? See, in case of Hindi medium, language of paper will be purely Hindi, and in case of English medium, it will be purely English. Both languages are not available in the question paper. All right. Yes. So what will be the answer for this? A to the power of 1 by 4 plus multiply by a to the power of 3 by 4. So powers will get added to a to the power of 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It will become a to the power of 4 by 4. And 4 by 4 is a to the power of 1. That's it. So this is the first property of law of indices. Okay. Yeah, so everybody has given the answer. That's great. Very good going. Yes, I think everyone has given the answer. That's very good. That's great. Now, let's move towards property number second, law number second. Okay, before that, there are few examples. So let's simplify that example. After that, we will be moving towards the second law. Okay. Yeah. So example number 1, simplify. You have to simplify what is given in the question now. 2 multiplied by x to the power of half multiplied by 3 into x to the power of minus 1. We have to simplify this if the value of x is equal to 4. First of all, let us multiply the numbers together. 2 multiplied by 3 becomes 6. Now x and x, base is same. Base is same. So we have to add the power. So x to the power of half and minus 1. So what will be left? 6x to the power of minus half. Now, there is one key important point. Whenever the power is negative, then it can be written as, let's say if a to the power of minus 1 is there, then it can be written as 1 upon a to the power of 1. If it is a to the power of minus 2, then it can also be written as a to the power of 1 upon a to the power of 2. That means it will become reciprocal. The number will become reciprocal and the sign of power will get changed. Negative will turn into positive. And if it is positive, it will turn into negative. So it becomes x to the power of minus half. Now it can also be written as 6 upon x to the power of half. Now what is the value of x? It is 4. Let us put the value 4. Now power half means square root. Power half का मतलब होता है square root. So what is the square root of 4? It is 2. So 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. All right. Okay. So I am writing each and every step so that अगर किसी का basics नहीं किया हुआ है, then also no problem. Class 8, 9, 10th का अगर आपको basics याद नहीं है, then also there is no issue because I am writing each and every step. I am explaining each and every step, so there will be no challenge in that. Okay. Just you have to write down everything, whatever I am dictating here or whatever I am writing here. Okay. Now let's solve the second example. Simplify 6ab square c cube multiplied by b to the power of minus 2, c to the power of minus 3 and d. So इसको simplify करने के लिए पहले आपको क्या करना है? जो भी numbers है, solve that together. So 6 multiplied by 4 will come together. 6 into 4 becomes 24. Now a to the power of, a की power में क्या है? It is 1 and nothing else. So a to the power of 1. Then what about b? b is having power 2 as well as minus 2. c is having power 3 as well as minus 3. So whenever the base is same, power will get added. d is only coming one time. Now, if we simplify this, what we are getting? 24, a to the power of 1, b to the power of 0, 0, and then d. Now, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So if we write a to the power of 0, the result is 1. 10 to the power of 0, the result is 1. 5,000 to the power of 0, the result is 1. So anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So what is left? 24AD. This is the final result. Okay. Now we are moving towards the second law of indices. Now, second law is for subtraction. Now, how to apply this law? This law says a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. A की power m in numerator and in denominator it is a to the power of n. So अगर डिनोमिनेटर में से पावर ऊपर की तरफ आती है देन द साइन विल गेट चेंज, तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो ए टू द पावर ऑफ m माइनस n, इट विल बिकम a to the power of m माइनस n. जब भी पावर नीचे से ऊपर आएगी तो उसका साइन चेंज करना है आपको. लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल. a to the power of 5 upon a to the power of 2. Then what will be the result? a to the power of 5 minus 2. नीचे से पावर ऊपर आई, साइन will become negative. Okay. Let's take one more example. n to the power of 3 divided by n to the power of minus 1. Now denominator में पावर नेगेटिव है, ऊपर आएगी तो पॉजिटिव. So n to the power of 3 plus 1, it will become n to the power of 4. Okay. So in this way, you have to apply the second law of indices. Yes, so everyone has got this. Yes. So this was the second law of indices. Now let us simplify this example number 3. 4x to the power of minus 1 divided by x to the power of minus 1 by 3. So how to simplify this? So 4 will remain as it is. X to the power of minus 1 in numerator, it will remain as it is. Now, the denominator is having power minus 1 by 3. It will come in numerator and sign will get changed. So, plus 1 by 3. Now, you can take the LCM and simplify. So, x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So, it will become 4x to the power of minus 2 by 3. So the power is negative. If the power is negative, it can be written as 4 divided by x to the power of 2 by 3. So if power is negative, we can send them into denominator. So the power will become positive. Okay. Om Prakash is asking, choosing one option, one answer from MCQ is okay, or all the correct ones are to be taken. See, you have to select only one option. If all are correct, then select all option, not A, B, C, and D. You have to select only single option at a time. If you are selecting multiple option, then your answer will be rejected. Okay. So I think everyone is clear till here. We have done very basic concept till now. Law number 1, which was for addition. Law number 2, having subtraction. Okay, Palak is asking what is the weightage of the chapter. See, the whole chapter, which is comprising ratio and proportion, indices, logarithm, on an average, these 3 topics jointly cover 4 to 5 marks. Okay, which one? Ratio and proportion, then indices and logarithm. All these 3 jointly covers around 4 to 5 marks. This is the combined weightage. And the chapter which is covering highest weightage is time value of money. That we will be doing in very detail. And time value of money takes 12 to 16 marks. The weightage of chapter time value of money is 12 to 16 marks. So it is very, very high. Okay. Then Kunal is asking about the solution of practice paper C. I have already told you. I will share you in the evening. Okay. Yes. So Shanta says yes, clear. Om Gupta says all clear. Then Priya is asking level of questions. See, level of question we are covering in from the module, as well as I am giving you extra practice question. So that is the level which is normally asked in exams. Okay. Pooja says, please tell some calculator tricks. Yes, I have already told you, wherever required, we will be discussing all those tricks, right? Now let us do example number 4. Simplify. Now you have to simplify here 2a to the power of half, a to the power of 2 by 3, then 6a to the power of minus 7 by 3, then there is denominator as well. So what is the common base in this question? So common base is a. So we can bring all the powers of a together, right? Bring all the powers of a together. This is important, right? So first of all, take all the numbers together. 2 multiply by 6. These two are in numerator and 9 is in denominator. So all the numbers are taken together. Now what is left? Only a is left. Only base a is left. Now what is the power of a? In numerator, the power is half plus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3. All these are the power of numerator. So we have applied law number 1. That is, we have added all the powers. Now, if the power is coming from denominator, sign will get changed. So powers of denominator will be plus 5 by 3 and minus 3 by 2. So all powers are coming together, right? We have taken all the powers together. Now simplify. So let cancel 6 with the help of 3. So it will become 4 upon 3. Now power of a. In the power of a, you can take the LCM. So 3 and 2. So for 3 and 2, LCM will become 6. So a to the power of LCM is taken as 6. It will be 3 plus 4 minus 14 plus 10 and minus 9. So we have taken the basic LCM. Now let us simplify. 3 plus 4, 7 minus 14 is negative 7. Negative 7 plus 10 is positive 3. And 3 minus 9 becomes 6. So 4 by 3, a to the power of how much? Negative 6 upon 6. So it is 4 by 3, a to the power of minus 1. This can also be written as 4 by 3 and a will go in denominator. Now value of a is given in the question. Value of a is given in the question. What is the value of a? It is 4. So 4 upon 3 into 4. So the final result is 1 by 3. So in this way, you are getting the final result as 1 by 3. Okay. Vishwa Patel says all clear. So those who have joined late, you can see from the beginning so that you can understand the law of indices. Okay. Then Khushi is asking why we have taken negative sign before 7 by 3. See, it is already negative given in the question itself. It is already negative given in the question. So we haven't changed the sign. It is already negative. All right. Now let us move towards the next one. Okay, some of the people are saying, can you please repeat? Okay, no worries. See, in this question, there are numbers and base A. So we have taken all the numbers together, like 2, 6, and 9. So all the numbers are taken together, 2, 6, and 9. All remaining are in terms of A. So we have written A, and now everything is in the power of A. So in numerator, the power is 1 by 2. So we have taken 1 by 2 as it is. Then power 2 by 3, we have taken 2 by 3 as it is. Then power 7 by 3, we have taken, it is negative 7 by 3. So we have taken negative 7 by 3 as it is. Then denominator is having negative 5 by 3. So it will become positive 5 by 3. And then positive 3 by 2 will become negative 3 by 2. So all the powers are taken together. Now we have taken the LCM and then solved. After taking the LCM, we are getting minus 6 upon 6, which is power minus 1. So since the power is negative, we can send this into denominator. So it will become 4 upon 3A. And the value of A is 4. We have cancelled 4. The result is 1 upon 3. So in this way, you have to solve. All right. Now the third one. Third law of indices, it is for powers. So if there is a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So there are two different powers. One is on m, and after that the power is on the whole bracket. So whenever there are power and again power, then the powers will get multiplied. So we will be writing a to the power of mn. It can be written as a to the power of mn. Right? If, let's say, a to the power of m whole to the power of 1 by n is given, then it will be written as a to the power of m by n. A to the power of m by n. So this is the third law of indices. So you can write this down. Third law of indices. So Chiang says completely clear. Siddharth says all clear. Riya clear. Okay. Then comes the fourth law. A to the power of A into B, both are having the power n. Both are having the power of n. Then the power will be written separately. So A into B whole to the power of n. So the power of n applies on both A to the power of n as well as B to the power of n. So this power n applies on both of them, A as well as B. Okay. So if there is like 6 to the power of 3, so 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 and the power is 3. So it can be written as 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube. 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube. Or we can solve it in the reverse way. 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2. This can be written as 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 to the power of 2. So meaning is same. So Shanta says, thank you, sir. Your teaching style is very different. That's great. Riya Kumari says, your method of teaching is amazing. That's again great. My pleasure. Right. So this was law number 4. Now we are moving towards example number 5. Now, everything is in the power of x and y. So there are two bases this time. One base is x, other base is y. So wherever the basis is common, bring the powers together. जहां पर भी बेस आपको सिमिलर दिख रहे हैं, एक जैसे दिख रहे हैं, उनकी पावर को आपको एक साथ में लेकर के आना है. All right. So the values given are x to the power of a, y to the power of minus b, whole to the power of 3. Then x cube, y square, whole to the power of minus a. Now, if we open the bracket, then the power 3 applies on both x as well as y. So it will become x to the power of 3a, y to the power of minus 3b. Then again, x to the power of minus 3a and y to the power of minus 2a. Now we have to bring the powers together. So base of x is same. So these two will come together. So x to the power of 3a and minus 3a. Other y and y base is same. So we can bring the powers together. So y to the power of minus 3b and minus 2a. So it is becoming x to the power of 0. Now y is having negative power. So it can also be written as 1 upon y to the power of 3b plus 2a. So power will change the sign. Negative will become positive. So therefore, x to the power of 0 is also 1. So result will be 1 upon y to the power of 3b plus 2a. This is the final result. Then Mohammed Shoaib says, how did you become CA? I have shared my journey yesterday in the last session. Palak says, you are teaching very well. My all concepts are clear. Thank you so much. That's great. Bhumi is asking, please explain the benefits of indices in CA. See, each and every chapter is does not directly help in a chartered accountancy practice. We are not talking about only CA practice because all these topics are used for broadening our mind. आपको अगर पता हो, हमारे माइंड में एक छोटा सा बॉक्स होता है और उस बॉक्स को हमें क्या करना होता है, चार्ज करना होता है. उसको अगर जितना ज्यादा आप यूज लेंगे उतना ज्यादा वो एक्सपैंड होगा और उतना ज्यादा आप अपनी प्रोग्रेस को कर पाएंगे. तो मैथ्स इज बेसिकली एक टूल है. मैथ्स एक ऐसा टूल है जो उस बॉक्स को शार्पन करने में हेल्प करता है. जैसे अगर आपका मोबाइल फोन है, उसको आपने चार्ज किया और एक दिन बाद में 24 आवर्स में वापस डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है, तो आपको रेगुलरली क्या करना पड़ता है, उसको चार्ज करना पड़ता है. सेम इज विद मैथमेटिक्स. जब आप रेगुलरली मैथ्स को यूज लेते हैं तो आपके माइंड का वो जो बॉक्स है वो रेगुलरली चार्ज होता रहता है और हम आगे जाते जाते ज्यादा चीजों को अंदर ले पाते हैं. बिकॉज आपके पास बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं आगे जाकर के, डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, कॉस्टिंग, लॉ. तो उन सब को अंदर आपको इनपुट करने के लिए आपको माइंड को ब्रॉड करना पड़ता है. सो मैथ्स इज अ टूल विच हेल्प इन ब्रॉडनिंग योर माइंड, राइट? ओके, let us move towards the next example, example number 6. Then there is one basic doubt from Komalpreet. What if both the base and power are different? See, if base and power are different, they will remain as it is, because we can add the powers only and only if base is same. अगर base same है तभी हम powers को add कर सकते हैं, otherwise they cannot be added. वो as it is रहेंगे. There will be no change in them. All right. Okay. So Rishita is asking, what if the power of y becomes minus 3b plus 2a? Then also no worries. You can write anywhere. Numerator, denominator, no problem. Always you have to match with the option. So option can come in any manner. It can have numerator with the negative sign with positive sign. Also, it can have denominator with positive or negative sign. So only you have to match with the option. Okay. So example number 6. Now in this case, you have to be very careful. There is one different point here. Root and then 6 is written. This is known as sixth root. Sixth root का मतलब क्या होता है? It means power 1 by 6. Sixth root means power 1 by 6. So it is sixth root of a to the power of 4b and x to the power of 6. Multiply by a to the power of 2 by 3 and x to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus b. So this is the given case. Now, first of all, we can write this in the power form. A to the power of 4b, x to the power of 6 and whole to the power of 1 by 6. So this power 1 by 6 will apply on both of them. It will be applied on both of them. So it will become a to the power of 4b upon 6, x to the power of 6 upon 6, then a to the power of minus 2 by 3b and x to the power of minus 1 multiplied by minus b will become positive b. Okay. All right. Now what we have to do, take the common base together. So a and a will be taken together. So it will be a to the power of. Can we cancel 4 upon 6? Yes, it can be cancelled and it will be written as 2 by 3b. From here it is negative 2 by 3b. So it is having 2 by 3b minus 2 by 3b. Then x to the power of 6 by 6 becomes 1 and other power is b. So finally it becomes a to the power of 0 and x to the power of 1 plus b. So anything having power 0 becomes 1. So final result is x to the power of 1 plus b. X to the power of 1 plus b. All right. Then Bhumkesh is asking where we can get previous question papers. See, I will share you each and everything on the application as I have already told in the previous session. So you can have the Students Clinic app. I will be sharing each and everything there. No need to worry. So this we have done, example number 6. Now the next one. There is one basic property. Now that property says if base are same, then powers are equal. If base is same, then power is equal. Let's say if it is written 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So this property says if base is same, power will be equal. So in this case, 3 and 3, base is same. So power have to be equal. So the value of x will become 5. The value of x will become 5. Right? Let's take one more. If it is written as 2 to the power of 1 by 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. So again, base is same. So we have to equal the power. So 1 by 4 is equal to x. So value of x becomes 1 by 4. So whenever base is same, power will be equal. So this is the next property. All right. Pratyush is asking, the app is not available in App Store, but it is available because most of the students have downloaded and they are already connected, right? So you have to type Students Clinic, STUDENTS, Students Clinic app. Now let's move on. Example number 7. X root x and x root x to the power of x. Now how you will solve this? This is very, very easy question. And the solution given in this study material is a bit lengthy, but you can solve it within 1 second. Yes, not 1 minute. You can solve this in 1 second. How in 1 second? By just applying this property. Just apply this property and you will get your answer within 1 second. Yes. So it says x root x. On other side, it is x root x to the power of x. So on left hand side, it is automatically power 1, whereas on right hand side, it is power x. So base is same, power will be equal. So therefore, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, right? So just 1 second, answer will be 1. So easy, right? So Ramalakshmi has given the answer. Ria, Saloni, Preshita, Mansi, Mahi, Manisha, Ria, Mr. P, Manisha, great. Then Mr. P says, how to know that equation cannot be simplified further? See, if they are having all the bases different, then you cannot simplify it further. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Example number 8. Find the value of k from the given equation. So k you have to calculate. So let us simplify this. So first of all, 9 is written 9 and then root. 9 is having root. So what is the root of 9? It is 3. So 3 to the power of minus 7. Then 3 to the power of minus 5. And root is written as 1 by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of k. So taking the powers together, 3 to the power of minus 7 and minus 5 by 2 equal to 3 to the power of k. So what is left? 3 to the power of minus 19 by 2 and 3 to the power of k. Base is same. Base is same. So power will be equal. So therefore, value of k is minus 19 by 2. K is equal to minus 19 upon 2. All right. So now there is a summary. Let's recall from this summary. So we have done the first property, a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when it is multiplication, power will get added. So a to the power of m plus n. So base is same, powers is getting added. So 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 square, it becomes 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. Right? Then in the second property, in place of multiplication, it will be division. So just change this. It will be division. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Then the result will be a to the power of m minus n. And same in example also, just change the sign. It will be division. 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3. It will become 2 square. Okay, there is some basic doubt from the previous question. Shravani Sakshi is asking the doubt. See, it is minus 7 and minus 5 by 2. So it cannot be written as minus 12 upon 2. Why? Because it is fraction. It is written as in this way, minus 7 and minus 5 by 2. So you have to take the LCM to simplify it. You cannot add directly. You cannot apply addendo here, right? So some of the people have applied addendo, add the numerator, add the denominator. No, that will not be the case here. So you have to take the LCM. It will become minus 14 and then minus 5. So result is minus 19 upon 2. All right. Not minus 12 by 2. Sunita says only this type of question will come in examination. See, these are the sample questions, but in examination, some questions are come as it is, and some will be having different values, different patterns, but the basic concept will remain same. The formula will remain same. Properties will remain same. Okay, but the question can become twisted. Question can become different, or different languages may be used. Okay, so next property, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. It becomes a to the power of mn. Powers will get multiplied. So 2 to the power of 5 and then square. So it becomes 2 to the power of 10. Then हमने discuss किया था a की power 0, it is always equal to 1. So whether it is 2 to the power of 0 or 3 to the power of 0, result is equal to 1. Then the next one, if the power is negative, a to the power of minus m, then we can send this into denominator. It will become 1 upon a to the power of m. Or reverse can also be done if it is written as 1 upon a to the power of minus m. In denominator, if the power is negative, so we can bring it into numerator. So it will become a to the power of m. Okay. So if 2 to the power of minus 3 is written, you can write as 1 upon 2 cube. And if 1 upon 2 to the power of minus 5 is written, then you can write it as 2 to the power of 5. All right. Then comes the next property. Base is same, power will be equal. So a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y. Base is same. So the result will be x equal to y. X is equal to y. Then comes reverse property. What is the reverse property? If x to the power of a is equal to y to the power of say a. So this is the reverse property. If power is equal, this time the power is equal. So if power is equal, then base will also be equal. So this also says x is equal to y. So both ways the property will work. If base is same, then power will also be same. If powers are same, then base will also be same. Then Harsh Gupta is asking how to use the Students Clinic app. You can just download and then automatically you will get everything. Then mth root of a. So we have done this. It can be written as a to the power of 1 by m. So if there is cube root of 8, it can be written as 8 to the power of 1 by 3. And also we can write 8 as 2 cube. So 2 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. What is left? Only 2. So 2 is left. Okay, so we have completed all the examples. Now it's time to move towards the exercise questions. So let's do the exercise questions. The first one, 4x to the power of minus 1 by 4. So which of the following is correct option? So this time you have to answer कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. x की पावर नेगेटिव है, अगर वो डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा x की पावर बन जाएगी नेगेटिव. सो 4 अपॉन x to the power of 1 by 4. Simply option number C. Yes, Saloni Sharma has given the answer. Then what is the value of 8 to the power of 1 by 3? 8 to the power of 1 by 3. So 8 can be written as, we have just done above, 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 1 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled. So result will be 2. You have given the answer option number C. Yes. That's correct. Great. So Arshabi has given the answer. Pavitra, Sani, Kushi, Indrashish, Priyanshu, Jia, Asha, Shravani, Kajal, Manisha, Vidipta, Vidushi. Great. So everyone has given this answer. Now it's time for exam question number 3. So let's answer question number 3. 2 multiplied by 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5. So what will be the correct answer? So again, option C correct hai kya? Is option C correct or not? Yes, most of you have given again option number C. Yes, that is 4. Everyone has given the answer C, option number C, 4. So how it is C? Because 2 multiplied by 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. So 5 will get cancelled. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. Option C. Question number 4 is very similar. What will be the answer? It is 4 divided by, instead of multiplication, it is division. So 32 is 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 1 by 5. So 4 upon 2 becomes 2. So this time option number B. So for question number 4, B option is correct. All right. Then comes question number 5. Question number 5. 8 upon 27 whole to the power of 1 by 3. What is correct answer? 8 can be written as 2 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube and whole to the power of 1 by 3. So both the numbers is having common power, that is 3. So we can write it as 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 into 1 by 3. So the result will be 2 upon 3, option number A. 2 by 3, option number A. All right. Yes, everyone has given option number A, but few of you have given D. Nilesh has given option number D, but D is not correct. Option A is correct. 6th one, again similar question. 6, 256. So what are the factors of 256? You can do the factors. So 256 can be written as 2 to the power of 8 multiply by minus 1 by 8 because powers will get multiplied. So it will become 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 1. Power will get added. So final result is 2 to the power of 0, that is 1. This is the final result. Okay. So before moving further, let's take a small break of 5 minutes, and after that, we'll be continuing with the questions. Okay. So, welcome back, guys, after the break. So, there is a doubt from Krishna Patel about question number 6. Let's solve once again. Question number 6. So, it says 2 multiplied by 256 to the power of minus 1 by 8. Okay. So, in this question, if we factorize 256, it comes as 2 to the power of 8. And whole to the power of it is already minus 1 upon 8. So 8 and 8 will get cancelled. So what is left? 2 multiply with 2 to the power of minus 1. So it can be also be written as 2 upon 2. The result is 1. Okay, Krishna. This was question number 6. Now let's move towards question number 7. 2 to the power of half and 4 to the power of 3 by 4 is equal to. Now the result is a fraction, a positive integer, negative integer. This you have to answer. So let's solve this. 2 to the power of half. 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 3 by 4. So we can cancel 2. It will become 3 by 2. Now the base is same, power will get added. So 2 to the power of half plus 3 by 2. Now what is half plus 3 by 2? It becomes 2. So 2 square is equal to 4. So is it a fraction? No, it is a positive number. So option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. Then Ramalakshmi says how to take regular revision in business maths. So you can always keep one day, that is Sunday, for revision. So on Sunday, you have to revise whatever you have done in the previous week. So always revise on that Sunday. And also you can make a separate formula notebook for each and every chapter. You have to write all the formulas, whether it is mathematics, reasoning, or statistics. Write all the formulas in one notebook. Then revise before sleep, just for 5 to 10 minutes. You have to make a habit. रात को सोने से पहले सिर्फ 5-10 मिनट फॉर्मूले को एक बार रिवाइज कर लें और फिर सो जाएं. तो उससे आपको नींद भी अच्छी आएगी और फॉर्मूलेज भी ऑलवेज याद रहेंगे. Next is question number 8. 81 x to the power of 4, y to the power of minus 8, whole to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, so let us simplify this. Question number 8. 81 x power 4 upon y to the power of minus 8 and then whole to the power 1 by 4. Now this 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. So 81 के अगर आप factors करते हैं, it will become 3 to the power of 4. Then x to the power of 4 and y to the power of minus 8. इन सब की पावर में है 1 by 4. So power 1 by 4 is applicable on each of them. So 3 to the power of 4 into 1 by 4. X to the power of 4 into 1 by 4 upon y to the power of minus 8 into 1 by 4. So what is left? 3 to the power of 1, x to the power of 1 upon y to the power of minus 2. y की पावर नेगेटिव है डिनोमिनेटर में, अगर वो न्यूमरेटर में आता है इट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. सो 3xy square. 3xy square. So Bhumkesh Bakshi has given the answer. Om Gupta is also given. Manisha, Shruti, Sonal, Mansi, Prakriti, Sani Pradhan, Khushi, everyone has given option number D. Yes, D option is truly correct. None of these. All right. Now comes Question number 9. Now, everywhere the base is same. Base is x, x, and again x. So whenever base is same, you can add the powers. So let's simplify. X to the power of a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Now you can see that a is positive as well as negative. B positive, negative. C positive, negative. So all the powers are getting cancelled. What is left? X to the power of 0. Now anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So such type of questions are known as a cyclical order questions, where some powers are positive, some powers are negative, all will get cancelled. So the result is always equal to 1. So most of you have given the answer, option number B. Okay. Now the 10th one. 2p square q cube divided by 3xy whole to the power of 0. What will be the answer? Question number 10. What will be the correct answer? Suchiang has given option number C. Let's wait for some more answers. Vidushi option C, Om Gupta C, Sonal, Rishita, Mansi, Manisha, everyone is giving C, Saloni C, Piyush Gupta C, Jayashree Prakriti C. Yes, so everyone is in the favor of option number C, because anything having power 0 is always equal to 1. Option number C. All right. Now comes question number 11. So 11th is a bit different question. So it says curly bracket 3 cube whole square 4 square whole cube, then 5 cube whole square bracket close divided by. So in denominator what is given? 3 square whole cube multiply by 4 cube whole square and then multiply by 5 square whole cube. This is a very lengthy question. Now how you can solve? It seems to be lengthy, but actually it is very, very easy question. It is simply again a 1 second question. Just a 1 second question. You have to just observe the powers and reach your result. If you observe, numerator is having 3 to the power of 6, 4 to the power of 6, 5 to the power of 6. Same is with denominator, 3 to the power of 6, 4 to the power of 6, and 5 to the power of 6. So everybody is getting cancelled. What is left? 1. Answer is 1. So option number D is the correct answer. Right? So most of you have given the answers. That's great. Amazing. So I think this chapter you guys are finding interesting. 12, which is true. कौन सा option correct है? 2 to the power of 0 is greater than half to the power of 0, or it is less than, or it is equal to. Which is correct? Greater, lesser, or equal? Come on, everyone. Which is the correct option? Option number C. Yes. Sonal has given C. Komalpreet says C. Manisha C. because 2 to the power of 0 is 1 and half to the power of 0 is also 1. So both are equal. Option number C. Great. Now the next one. Next is x to the power of 1 by p, y to the power of 1 by q, and z to the power of 1 by r. All are equal. Then x, y, z is equal to 1. Find the value of p plus q plus r. Okay, so this is a completely different type of question. So let us understand this very, very carefully. This pattern is totally different. X to the power of 1 by p is equal to y to the power of 1 by q is equal to z to the power of 1 by r. Okay, so whenever such kind of situation is given, always equate them with a constant that is k. इन सबको आपको इक्वेट करना है with a constant k. K के equal रख दिया. Now one by one compare everybody with k. x की पावर 1 by p is equal to k. Now जब पावर अदर साइड दूसरी साइड में जाती है तो क्या बन जाती है? इट बिकम्स रेसिप्रोकल. x की पावर 1 by p है, अगर वो दूसरी साइड जाएगी इट बिकम्स x to the power x equal to k to the power of p. Similarly, if it is y to the power of 1 by q, इसको आपने k से इक्वेट किया, 1 by q will go on other side and become q. So y is equal to k to the power of q. Then similarly z to the power of 1 by r, ये अगर k के इक्वल है, then z is equal to k to the power of r. So in this way, we have got the values of x, y, and z. Now, the question has given that x, y, z is equal to 1. x, y, z की value 1 है. So let's substitute the values. X, y, z is equal to 1. Now, what is the value of x? K to the power of p. For y, k to the power of q, and then k to the power of z. Now, can we write 1 in terms of k? क्या 1 को k के टर्म्स में लिखने का कोई तरीका है? क्या तरीका है? Anybody knows? 1 को हम k की फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? So it can be written as k to the power of 0, because anything power 0 is equal to 1. So base is same, power will be equal. So k is having the power p plus q plus r. It is r. And here it is k to the power of 0. Now base is equal on both the sides. Base is equal on both the sides, then power will also be equal. So p plus q plus r is equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. So this is your answer. So everyone is given k to the power of 0. Sahana says k to the power of 0. Komalpreet, Apurva, Manisha, Kunal Chopra, Saloni, Saurabh, Jayashree, Khushi, Manisha, Ishan, Jia, great. So everyone is correct now. So P plus Q plus R, the value is equal to 0. Option number B is correct. So always in this manner, you can solve your answer. All right. Okay. Now, the next one. 14. Y is having different powers, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. But it doesn't end here. अगर ये क्वेश्चन सिर्फ यहीं तक होता, A माइनस B माइनस C माइनस A, तो यहां तक आपका पूरा साइकिल कंप्लीट हो गया, A to B to C, and then again C to A. But question is still going on. Y to the power of minus A minus B. So let's simplify. Everything is in the power of Y. A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A, then minus A and minus B. So let's see what is getting cancelled. Positive negative A cancelled, positive negative B cancelled, C also cancelled. So we are left with Y to the power of minus A and minus B. Now it can also be written in positive form, but उसके लिए y को ले जाना पड़ेगा हमें डिनोमिनेटर में. So 1 upon y to the power of positive A plus B. So 1 upon y to the power of A plus B. Correct is option number D. All right. So D is the correct answer. Yes, everyone has given. That's great. Now let's move towards question number 15. Which is the true option? आपको ये देखना है कौन सा ऑप्शन एग्जैक्टली सेम है, ए, बी और सी और डी. Fifteenth one, which is correct? X is having power 2 by 3. X is having power 2 by 3. And on other side, it is cube root of x square. So cube root can be written as power 1 by 3. So we will write x square multiplied by 1 by 3. So it is nothing but 2 by 3. So which is correct? Option number A. So x to the power of 2 by 3 is exactly equal to cube root of x square. Okay. Yes, everyone has given the answer. Option number A. Now let's solve 16th question. Question number 16. So 16, then x to the power of minus 3 y square multiplied by a to the power of minus 1 x cube and y to the power of minus 2. We have to simplify this. So let us keep the numbers together. 16. 8 is having power minus 1. It will go in denominator. Now, taking x together, x and x. So x to the power of minus 3 plus 3. Then taking y together, y to the power of positive 2 and negative 2. We can cancel 8 and 16. So what is left? 2 into x to the power of 0, y to the power of 0. The final result is x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Okay. Now let's try question number 16th. No, 16th is done. 17th. Question number 17. 8 upon 27 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3 multiply by 32 upon 243 whole to the power of minus 1 by 5. Now you have to simplify this. You can write down the factors and then can do the cancellation. So 8 can be written as 2 cube, 2 to the power of 3, and 27 can be written as 3 cube and whole to the power of minus 1 by 3. Similarly, 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 and 243 is 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of minus 1 by 5. So here the power 3 is common. So 2 by 3 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 is getting cancelled. Similarly, 2 by 3 power 5 is common and then 5 is getting cancelled. So we are left with 2 by 3 to the power of minus 1 multiplied by 2 by 3 to the power of minus 2. Sorry, minus 1 again. So base is same, power will be equal. So we have to add the powers 2 by 3, power minus 1 and minus 1. So it will become minus 2. So you can write power minus 2. Now this time the power is negative. So power again negative hai, you have to do the reciprocal to make the power positive. So power ko positive banana hai, you have to do the reciprocal. Now the power is positive. So 3 by 2 square. And 3 by 2 square is nothing but 9 upon 4. It becomes 9 upon 4. So everyone has given the answer 9 by 4. Then Yash is asking point number 7 and question number 12 concludes 2 is equal to half. See, 2 and half will be equal if the power is 0. So condition apply. Okay, yes. So 2 and half are not equal. If the power is 0, if the power is same, then only they will be equal. Otherwise, they will not be equal. So 17th we have completed. Now the 18th one. Question number 18. It looks a bit difficult, but it is not at all difficult. So let's make some space here. थोड़ा सा space बना लेते हैं. So writing the question number 18. X plus y whole to the power of 2 by 3, x minus y whole to the power of 2 by 3 divided by root of x plus y multiplied by root x minus y cube and then whole to the power of 6. Okay, so this is the question. This is the question. So now base, there are two types of bases. One is x plus y, other is x minus y. So we have to bring the common base together. So x plus y is having the power 2 by 3, whereas in denominator, x plus y is having the power root. Root means power half is there. Then x minus y in numerator, power is 2 by 3, and in denominator, the power is x minus y cube, and then root is written. Root means power half. So it will become 3 by 2. And then whole to the power of 6. Now you can bring the powers together for the common bases. So x plus y and x plus y. Base is common. Bring the power together. So x plus y whole to the power of 2 by 3 minus half. 2 by 3 minus half. Similarly, x minus y 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. And then whole to the power of 6. So let us simplify by taking the LCM. It will become 4x plus y 4 minus 3 upon 6. We have taken the LCM, so it will be 4 minus 3 upon 6. Similarly, here also, take the LCM 6. It will become 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9. So what is left? X plus y to the power of 1 by 6 and x minus y to the power of minus 5 by 6, and then whole to the power of 6. So power 6 will get cancelled with both of them. Power 6 दोनों places से cancel हो गई. So you are left with only x plus y to the power of 1 and x minus y to the power of minus 5. Okay. So which of the option is correct? Option number D, none of these. Option number D. Roshan Rai is asking from where I can get the practice paper. That is available on the application. Okay. Okay, the next one, 19. Now, question number 19 is very easy. I think you can do it by yourself. Let's do question number 20. Well, 20 is also very easy, but yes, let's solve. So let us make some space here again. Question 20. Square bracket, then curly bracket, 2 to the power of half, 4 to the power of 3 by 4. So 4 can be written as 2 square. I am writing directly 2 square to the power of 3 by 4. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So 2 cube to the power of 5 by 6. Then 16 can be written as 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 7 by 8. And 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 9 by 10. Then curly bracket, power is 4, then square bracket 3 by 25. So everything is in the power of 2. So let's simplify. 2 to the power of half plus 6 by 4 plus 3 into 5 is 15 upon 6 plus 4 into 7 is 28 by 8 plus 5 into 9 is 45 upon 10. All these are the powers, and then whole to the power of 4 into 3 is 12, 12 by 25. Now you can take the LCM and get the values. So what will be the LCM? You can check 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 and find the LCM. So it is multiple of 10, multiple of 8, and it should also be multiple of 6. So what will be the LCM? You can easily find it out, the LCM, and let me know. What will be the LCM? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Yes, anyone? LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's very easy. Okay, somebody has written LCM will be 60. Someone has written 10, 120. See, 60 is not a multiple of 8. 60 doesn't come in the table of 8. 10 is also incorrect. Then 120. Yes, 120 is the correct LCM. So 2 LCM is 120. So it will become 60 plus 30 into 6. It is 180. 20 into 15 is 300 plus 15 into 28. 15 into 28 is how much? 420. And then 12 into 45 is 540. So what is left? 60 plus 180 is 240 plus 300, 540 plus 420, it becomes 960 plus 540, 1500. So 2 to the power of 1500 upon 120 multiplied by 12 upon 25. Let's cancel them with the help of 12. 10 is left, and 25 can also be cancelled directly. 1 and then 6060. Then zeros and zeros getting cancelled. 2 to the power of 6, that is 64. So 64 is the correct answer. Okay. So it was one way, but this was lengthy. If you want, आप उसको पहले से ही cancel कर सकते हैं from this step. If you want, you can cancel here directly. So 6 and 4 can be cancelled. It will become 3 by 2. 15 and 6 can be cancelled with the help of 3. It will become how much? 5 by 2. Then 28 and 8 can be cancelled with the help of 4, 7 by 2. And then 5 se cancel kiya, it will become 9 by 2. So what is left? 2 to the power of half plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 7 by 2, and 9 by 2 whole to the power of 12 by 25. So what will be the addition? 1 plus 3, 4, plus 5, 9, plus 7, 16, and plus 9, 25. So 2 to the power of 25 by 2 into 12 by 25. So again, 2 to the power of 6, that is 64. Okay. So this is 64. Then Yash is saying option C in question number 18, there is a misprint. Yes. In question number 18, the answer might be wrongly given in the study material, but correct option is D, none of these. Okay. This was 20. Now let's try 21 also. For 21, it is bracket 1 minus, bracket 1 minus, then again bracket 1 minus x square, whole to the power of minus 1, then again power minus 1, and then power is minus half. So this time there are 3 different brackets. तो ये पूरा आपको लगता है महाभारत का चक्रव्यूह, आई थिंक. तो इस चक्रव्यूह को कैसे तोड़ना है? इस चक्रव्यूह को तोड़ने के लिए यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मिडल से इसकी शुरुआत करनी है. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद दिस मिडल पोर्शन. तो इस मिडल पोर्शन की पावर क्या गिवन है? -1. पावर इज नेगेटिव. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू रेसिप्रोकल दिस नंबर. इस नंबर को पहले क्या करेंगे? रेसिप्रोकल, ताकि पावर बन जाए पॉजिटिव. सो 1 माइनस, अगेन 1 माइनस, so it is 1 upon 1 minus x square. So ये अंदर वाला ब्रैकेट अब आपका रिमूव हो जाएगा बिकॉज वी हैव ओपन द पावर एंड इट हैज बिकम रेसिप्रोकल. नाउ पावर -1 and then power is minus half. Now to simplify this, we have to take the LCM. So 1 minus bracket, LCM is 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. This was the LCM. And then all the powers. So 1 and -1 will get cancelled. 1 minus 1 is getting cancelled. So what is left? Minus x square upon 1 minus x square is left. And whole to the power of -1. So also one more thing, this minus and this minus will get cancelled and become positive. Minus और minus cancel होकर क्या बन जाएगा? Positive. अब जो ब्रैकेट में नंबर बचा है उसकी पावर नेगेटिव है. अगेन डू द रेसिप्रोकल. सो 1 प्लस 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर होल टू द पावर ऑफ minus half. So again taking the LCM. So what is the result? X square plus 1 minus x square upon x square whole to the power of minus half. So x square and x square getting cancelled. Now the power is minus half. Again do the reciprocal. So it will become x square to the power of half. 2 and 2 is cancelled. Final result is x. So Om Gupta has given the answer x. So this will be the final answer. So always start from the middle. Middle से start किया, then further and then further. So it is very easy way to solve the question. Okay. Vidisha says, please explain the third step of this 21. See, in this third step, we have taken the LCM. LCM लेने के बाद 1 and 1 got cancelled here. देन सिंस द पावर इज नेगेटिव, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपने उसको क्या किया, रेसिप्रोकल. जब भी पावर नेगेटिव है, यू हैव टू डू द रेसिप्रोकल. So we have done the reciprocal. After reciprocal, we have again taken the LCM. LCM आपने फिर से लिया, and this time x square and negative x square will get cancelled. Then power is again negative. Again do the reciprocal. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and what is left? Only x to the power of 1. That is x. So this was 21. Let's make some space. So in question number 22, it is x to the power of n. X to the power of n whole to the power of n minus 1 by n, and again bracket to the power of 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, so this is given. Now what we have to do? Simplify this. So x to the power of n bracket, take the LCM. It will become n square minus 1 upon n. N square minus 1 upon n, and then whole bracket 1 upon n plus 1. Now you can see that n and n will get cancelled. These two n will get cancelled. So what is left? X to the power of n square minus 1. Now there is one identity, a square minus b square. It is simply a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. So you can apply here x to the power of n plus 1, n minus 1. And the remaining power is 1 upon n plus 1. So this power n plus 1 will get cancelled. So we are left with x to the power of n minus 1. X to the power of n minus 1. Option number C. All right. Now 23rd. Let's try the next one, 23rd question. Now, in this, there is one property which is given in the question, a cube minus b cube. So what is the formula for this a cube minus b cube? The formula says a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. This is the property. Okay. Now, if we apply this property here, how to apply this property? See, understand this very carefully. If we take only one portion of this 23rd, 23rd is having three portions. One is with L and M, second is with M and N, and third with N upon L. So one time L is numerator, M denominator, then M numerator, N in denominator, then again N in numerator and L in denominator. So every time one is L, M, N is in numerator, and one time all these three are in denominator. That means there is a cyclical pattern. यहाँ पर आपका क्या बनेगा? Cyclical pattern. If you take only one part first, let's say for x. तो x की पावर में क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास, l इज इन न्यूमरेटर, m डिनोमिनेटर में है, डिनोमिनेटर से वैल्यू जब न्यूमरेटर में आएगी इट विल बिकम नेगेटिव, सो l माइनस m, and already there is one power which is L square plus Lm plus m square. Now according to this property, इस property को हम apply अगर करते हैं, so what we conclude here, we get x to the power of L cube minus m cube. इस फर्स्ट पोर्शन का रिजल्ट क्या निकलेगा, L क्यूब माइनस m क्यूब. सिमिलरली सेकेंड पोर्शन से आपका रिजल्ट आएगा x टू द पावर ऑफ m क्यूब माइनस n क्यूब, एंड फ्रॉम द थर्ड पोर्शन you will get n cube minus l cube. Now all these values are positive as well as negative, so base same है, powers को जब आप add करेंगे तो l cube will get cancelled, m cube is cancelled, n cube is also cancelled, सारी values हो गई है cancel, so you are left with x to the power of 0 which is nothing but 1. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन दिखने में लेंथी होंगे बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में रिजल्ट क्या आएगा आपका 1. ओके so now, so you can clearly see that 26 also similar, 25 is also similar, all these are having cyclical pattern, so wherever there is cyclical pattern that means the power is becoming 0, and whenever the power is becoming 0 the result is always equal to 1. Okay, so this is the easiest way, without solving you can select your answer. Then let's try another one. Yes, 29 is exactly same as what we have done now. It is same. Yes, question number 30 is different. Let's try question number 30 now. Two to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of y is equal to 6 to the power of minus z. And you have to find out the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. This you have to calculate. Now, as we have discussed earlier, whenever such kind of question is there, compare them with k. So if 2 to the power of x is equal to k, then value of 2 is equal to k to the power of 1 by x. Power will go on other side and become reciprocal. Similarly, 3 to the power of y is equal to k. So 3 is equal to k to the power of 1 by y. And 6 to the power of minus z is equal to k. So 6 is equal to k to the power of minus 1 by z. All these are the value of 2, 3, and 6. Now, is there any relation between 2, 3, and 6? Can we create a relationship between 2, 3, and 6? Yes, of course, we can create a relationship. How we can create? 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. Exactly. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So what is the value of 6? It is k to the power of minus 1 by z. What is 2? K to the power of 1 by x, and 3, k to the power of 1 by y. So base is same. We can equate the power. So minus 1 by z is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now 1 by z will go on other side and become positive. So 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So what is left here? 0. So the result is equal to 0. result is equal to 0. This was question number 30. You can write it down or take a screenshot. Okay. So there is one common demand, that is question number 24. Okay. So let's try question number 24 also. So in this question number 24, the property is given a minus b whole cube. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the property. And value of x is given. So what we have to do, substitute the values and get the result. Substitute the values and get the result. So all of them are asking about x cube plus 3x. x cube plus 3x का वैल्यू आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. तो वो आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? हाउ कैन वी अप्लाई दिस? So what is the correct way to solve this question? Anyone? How we will solve this question? Yes, most of you have asked this question number 24. So let us discuss this. So value of x is given. If you take cube on both the sides, then what will happen? Let's start. X is equal to p to the power of 1 by 3 minus p to the power of minus 1 by 3. So taking cube both sides. Why we are taking cube? Because in each and every option we are having x cube, x cube, x cube. Therefore, we require x cube. So we are taking cube both sides. So on left hand side, x cube. On right hand side, we have to apply the property. So a minus b whole cube. So what is the property? It is a cube minus b cube. Let's write here the property. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the property. So what is a cube? So it is p to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube minus p to the power of minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Third, p to the power of minus 1/3, and then a minus b. So let's write that also. P to the power of 1 by 3 minus p to the power of minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now, we can clearly see that this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Here also 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So what is left? X cube is equal to p minus 1 upon p minus, now this is 3 p to the power of 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, and p 1/3 minus p minus 1/3. This completely can be written as x. Why? Because this is the question, this is given in question, and this is the value of x. So in this place we can write x. So it is x. So we can write x cube minus equal to p minus 1 upon p and minus 3x. Minus 3x will go on other side and it will become x cube plus 3x equal to p minus 1 upon p. So this is the final answer. Okay. So in this way, we can easily reach to the answer. So you can select option number, which one? P minus 1 upon P, B option. Now 27 is same as this 24. You can see that in place of P, 3 is written. So you can apply similar property and get your answer. So it's very easy. Okay. Shanta says, please explain 23 again. See, in question number 23, there is a cyclical order. And you have, according to this formula, we are getting all values positive as well as negative. So all the values are getting cancelled. So the result is equal to 1. So whenever there is a cyclical order, power becomes 0. And whenever the power is 0, result is equal to 1. So this is the shortcut way. Okay, Shanta? Then question number 28 is there. Okay, 28 is a bit different. Let's do the last question for the day. 28 also. 28 says a to the power of x is equal to b. B to the power of y is equal to c. And c to the power of z is equal to a. Then find out the value of x, y, z. You have to calculate the value of x, y, z. So how to solve such questions? So see, it's very easy. In place of b, see, a to the power of x is equal to b. So here, in place of b, you can write the value of b, which is a to the power of x. So let's write a to the power of x whole to the power of y is equal to c. This is equal to c. So you can write a to the power of x y is equal to c. Now this is the value of c and it can be substituted here. So let's substitute a to the power of xy to the power of z is equal to a. So from here, we can see that a to the power of xyz is equal to a. That is a to the power of 1. Base is same, power will be equal. So xyz is equal to 1. This question is actually very, very easy question, but just a small trick was there. Okay. So now we have done most of the questions from this. So your task for today is to revise all these questions, plus try the remaining questions in your homework. And in case of any doubt, you can simply ask us on the application as well. No need to worry. All right. So let's meet in the next session again on Tuesday. Till then, bye everyone. Take care and see you soon.